Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I wanted to quickly share this tutorial on how I made this sweet and salty jerky for our upcoming trip to Florida. This recipe is paleo, gluten-free, and doesn't contain any preservatives like most packaged jerky you can find in stores. For flavor ingredients, I used coconut aminos, which was my first ever time trying this product. It's really similar to soy sauce, but it's a really great alternative for people that are soy intolerant or simply people that want to try something a little different. Our next ingredient was some apple cider vinegar for a little bit of a acidic punch, and some garlic and onion powder, and some salt and pepper. Now, I think that these ingredients on their own would actually make a really tasty jerky, but I also wanted to make it a little bit spicy and smoky, so I included chili powder and smoked paprika. I added all of these ingredients to a container and mixed it all up really well. And then the cut of meat that I used was eye of the round, which apparently is one of the best cuts of meat for jerky because it's relatively lean. So we sliced up the eye of the round into 1/4 inch thick slices, and this is my husband cutting here because he's a little bit more accurate with knives than I am. We wanted somewhat thick jerky, but looking back, I think I would have liked to have sliced it again, just so the strips would come out more narrow. But overall, the thickness was perfect, so we threw it into 2 containers. I ended up needing a second container because I had a lot of meat. And then we just mixed it really well, made sure the marinade was coating all the pieces, and we popped it into the fridge and let that sit overnight so the meat could absorb the flavor completely. And the next day we loaded up all the pieces into the dehydrator and set it to 150 degrees Celsius for 12 hours. And you can get away with less time and even a lower temperature if you cut the pieces smaller, but since we went for something a little thicker, 12 hours was perfect. The jerky looked like this, just very stiff, chewy, and the flavor was just so good. Like, the coconut aminos really impressed me. It tastes basically like soy sauce, but just a little sweeter. So I will be making it again, and we'll definitely be eating this on our road trip. Wish us luck on that. It's going to be a 5-day road trip from Maine to Florida with 3 camping sites and 3 hotels along the way. So wish us luck, and thanks for tuning in today, guys. I'll see you soon.